welcome everyone. Okay, so yeah, guys, like whatever I have taught in my free course, free stock market course, that is just 10%. Okay, and rest of the 50%, you will learn by applying those concepts, those theories in by yourself in the market. Okay, so the rest of the 40% you will learn from these type of doubt sessions. Okay, these type of sessions. So that is the reason why I'm conducting these like these doubt sessions. Okay, so till now I have conducted, I think this is 15th or 16th webinar, I think. Okay, so yeah, it's been like 16 weeks I have conducted all these things, and like many people have got a lot of value, and I have over delivered all the value as well. And I'm really happy that I have made my time, and I'm really happy to help everyone, and I really appreciate everyone for believing in me. Thank you so much for supporting Pro Stock Market. Thank you so much, guys. And I'll just go for each and every webinars, and I'll inform you guys which webinars are very important. Okay, so just go and watch those webinars, and you'll get a lot of value actually. Okay, and yeah, so yeah, let's start. Okay, let's start. So today's agenda is nothing. Okay, nothing in a sense like don't just think like, okay, fine, he's saying nothing, like, I'll just leave this uh, session. Okay, not like that. Okay, so I'll clear your doubts. Okay, I'll clear your doubts. Ask me doubts regarding this free course only. Okay, don't ask me beyond that. Okay, don't ask me uh, like beyond that. Okay, so ask me whatever the doubts you have in free course. And if you have gone, like if you have taken any trades in this previous week, then just say to me which trades you have taken, and I'll go through that. Okay, I'll go through that, and I'll clear your doubts why you have gone lost or anything. Okay, if you have lost any trades, then you can uh, like you can say to me. Okay, so for Uttam is asking for intraday which time frame we can use. So sir, intraday time frames are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, and till 1 hour. These are intraday time frames. Okay, so it depends on person to person on, and it depends on their personality, which time frame they have to choose. Okay, so just spend some time, whatever the time you want. Okay, so if you have a lot of time, then focus on, let's say if you have a lot of time, and if you're not working in any like in any job. Okay, if you're not doing any job, and if you want to focus mostly on entire trading, I think you can prefer 15 minutes is fine. Okay, and if you are, or else if you are doing any job, okay, then I'll suggest you to go for maybe 5 minutes. Okay, so that you can trade within like, let's say, 2 or 3 hours, and you can get out of that market, and you can do your routine work. Okay, so the best time frame what I suggest is 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the ultimate best time frame we can get at present. 15 minutes is good. Okay, just focus on intraday 15 minutes, and you'll get to know. Yeah, thank you so much. So Dawal is asking, looking for short in Asian paints, rising wedge in 15 minutes. Okay, that's cool. This is the darts which I need. Okay, and once it again touches the resistance line in the wedge, can you check? Yeah, sure, sure, definitely I can check. Okay, so Dawal is asking this question, and I really appreciate for asking these questions. Why? So I'll go and show to you. Okay, so Asian paints. Yeah. So can anyone say me before that? Okay, before going to Asian Paints today's scenario. Okay, at present scenario, can everyone say to me the reason why this pattern failed? Okay, I'll make it for everyone publicly. Just say to me the reason why this pattern failed. Quarter two results. Okay, you're going for fundamentals. Okay, maybe. Yeah, many people are coming still. So I think Didn't break the support. Okay, with support. Took support at 1909. Okay, okay, this is quite good. This is also good. I'm asking this one. Okay, I'm asking why did the pattern fail here at present? This one in this area. It broke resistance. Okay, maybe. Okay, so maybe it broke resistance. Okay, no, not like that. Did you got confirmation for shorting this thing? Did you got confirmation in this chart pattern to go for short? No, right? Yeah, double. You're absolutely right. After the lockdown opened, many of the construction sites are open. Okay, you're going with the fundamental thing. Okay, fine. That's good. Yeah, that's it. So the best thing we can say is like, see, like if it is acting as your dynamic support and resistance, let's say this is your particular trend line, okay, which is resistance, and this is dynamic support, which is also called as a trend line, okay. So if this particular thing is acting as your dynamic support level, okay, if this support is broken, that doesn't mean like this will act as a dynamic resistance. Now it will act, right? Yeah. If support is broken, let's say if support is broken, if support is broken, then this acts as resistance. Okay, so if this dynamic support is broken, then this acts as dynamic resistance, right? Yeah, same thing has happened here. And at the same time, okay, at the same time, what happened here means, I'll clear this thing. So at the same time, what happened here means there is no confirmation for shorting this particular chart pattern. Okay, there is no confirmation for, to short this chart pattern. Okay, so what type of confirmation we are waiting for? We are always waiting for that type of confirmation where we can see that particular this price break this particular dynamic support level. Okay, so this support level is acting as from long period of time. Okay, so this might be the strong support level. Okay, so this particular price should break towards the downside. Okay, now this particular, okay, now this particular chart pattern is valid. Okay, if this price breaks this dynamic support level, then this chart pattern is valid. Okay, or else if it didn't break this particular pattern, then it is not valid. Okay, so you need to change all your trend lines and all those things. Okay, so in this case scenario it has not broken towards downside, so obviously we will not go look for selling opportunities, right? So my selling will be here, right? Okay, so if it breaks this particular trend line, and of course if this particular trend line is broken, now officially the selling pressure has been coming to the market because the support is broken. Okay, so now obviously I'll keep my stop loss there and my target will be starting of this pattern here, and that's how I'll start analyzing the market, and that's how I'll go and trade in the market. Okay, so at present it didn't break the support level, dynamic support, so that's why I'm not looking for selling opportunities. Simple, there is nothing new in that. Okay, so the reason why I'm going to this thing is I got a mail um, asking that why this analysis has failed. So that's why I'm just saying. Okay, so now this is the trend line which is falling, which is an ascending channel. Okay, you can call it as an ascending channel, anything like that. Okay, so this is an ascending channel, obviously. So obviously whenever this pattern is filled, what you'll be doing, don't regret that like that. Okay, just go and draw the pattern. So your beautiful expanding bull flag, and as well and small ascending rising wedge, it came down, it reached the target, and again a small bull flags, once again it went up. Now it's kind of ranging, but here bull flag seems to be like a bull flag. It went up once again, and here as well a small ascending channel. If it breaks this particular dynamic support, then this is valid. If not, it's not valid. Simple. Okay, I hope you got I hope you understood this thing, how I'm analyzing the market. Okay, so obviously I just combine other tactics as well, so it is just to make you understand. Should we have gone for long in the 4 minutes to have 4 hours breakout and reaches? Yeah, definitely you can go for long. So obviously resistance becomes support, right? Definitely you can go for long, no issues in that. Okay, okay, seems like many people are waiting in the room. Cool, that's awesome. So let me go and change. Okay, I just got it start. Okay, Yeah, Asian Paints 15 minutes rising wedge. Okay, so let's see if you are getting anything. So I think we don't have any resistance, right? Previous data is also we don't have any resistance, and I don't think so. This is acting as a resistance level at present. So I'll just clear all the diagrams. So obviously the support is resistance is broken, which becomes a support, and it went up. So you're saying that you're looking for a rising wedge pattern in 15 minutes. Yeah, this is quite good one. Okay. Yeah, this is very good. So obviously you can look for selling opportunities with this stop loss. Okay, and maybe you can look for selling opportunities till the starting of the pattern. Okay, so again I'm saying whatever the things I'm saying, it is just for educational purpose. Okay, I'm not recommending you guys to trade in or according to me or to go for buy or sell. Okay, because past data is not like you cannot like if past data has been uh, in correct side, that doesn't mean like it will work every time. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Just be careful. Okay, just draw all the chart patterns and all those things, and that's how you can decide. So I think we have drawn this one. I have already said, right. So this is basically happening in maybe in this pattern. So I think maybe if this is already broken, so maybe we can look for selling opportunities, and yeah, maybe a chance are there for the market to fall. Anything can happen. Simple. Okay. Yeah, let's see how this Asian Paints will behave. Mm, okay, you have asked many stocks. Sheikh Arshad, thank you. So I'll go for Sipla. Okay, first stock I'll go for Sipla. So this is Sipla. So this is analysis which we have done long back, and yeah, it has worked really well, and yeah. So what is that I'm analyzing? So this is Sipla. Basically, this is Sipla. I'm not going deep into that because I have already explained this thing in previous thing webinars also. But yeah, I'll make it very fast. Okay. So this is what happening in Sipla. Okay. So it went up till here. It reached the target this particular bull flag starting pattern, and it again fell down. Okay. So now what you're looking for, it is at the support level, which is dynamic support level. So obviously you will wait for some other confirmation. Okay, so what kind of confirmation we need? So this type of setup we will wait, and then we can look for selling opportunities, and badly we can fall till this level. Yes, definitely it can fall till there. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Still there is no confirmation for that, but I think I'm seeing, look, I'm looking at some uh chart patterns here as well. So let me draw chart patterns if I can see anything. So maybe this is the chapter I just already completed, and okay, this is a pattern which is quite good. So chance are there for the market to reverse. Okay, why? Because this is a reversal pattern, right? Which is a falling wedge type of pattern. Okay, so maybe chance are there it can reverse till here. Why till there? Because this is a support level. That's why I'm saying it can reverse till there. Okay, so anything can happen. We have to see. We have to see how this behaves. Okay, very good one. But mostly maybe it can fall down. Okay, it can fall down. Okay, let's see how this particular move will behave. Particular stock will behave. Cool. So Sipla, you asked Sipla. Okay. Maybe I'll go for Hero Motoko. Hero Motoko is quite really good. Yesterday, one person asked me, "Shall I hold Hero Motoko or anything?" Like, yeah, this is really good. Okay, for those guys who are not getting this thing, okay, this white color candles are nothing but red candle, okay, and the blue color is nothing but green. I have changed these colors, okay, just to make like I just personally like this blue color very much. So blue color is quite good. So Hero Motor Corp, I don't think so. I'm seeing any positive side. This is very clear. Okay. So if you look at the chart immediately, you can clearly say that okay, fine. This is not a good stock. Okay. So at present, it is falling badly. So chances are that it can fall at least 50%. Okay. So how you can measure the 50%? I don't know whether we can get this particular here as well. Okay, maybe this one is good. So from here to here you can draw, and What is the 50%? This one is 50%. That's how you can measure the 50% fall. Okay, so chances are there for the market to fall at least till here. Yes, definitely chances are there. It can fall till here. Okay, so if this is broken, then no one can stop the stock to go till this low, this particular low. We have to see. Okay, so at present, not at all looking for buying opportunities. I'm looking only for selling opportunities in Hero MotoCorp. Okay, so let's see how this behaves. Do I need to announce it for coming month? Yep, Hero MotoCorp is not good. So yeah, didn't break support or resistance. So after lockdown, bear flag confirmation. Okay, so what is the difference in here? So what is the difference between the paid course and the free course? There is a huge difference between the Maruti 800 and Lamborghini. Okay, so whatever the value I have delivered in this free course, it is just I mean, like obviously I have delivered a lot of value in free course, and definitely you can make living by understanding my free course. Okay, and the value which I deliver in my paid course is 1,000 times more value compared to free course. You will love it. Okay, so that will definitely be a game changer. You will like you'll blow your mind. Simple. And just thanks, and also Bank Nifty. Yeah, I'll go for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty at the end. Okay. So what is Fibonacci retracement? Yeah, it's a quite good question. Okay, so Fibonacci we can use it in different ways. Okay, so obviously like this is not a good way to use. But personally, okay, seems like uh, this Fibonacci is like how you can use this Fibonacci. Okay, so many people believe that at least 50% retracement can happen in any particular stock. Okay, so that's how they keep on trade in the market. Okay, so let's say maybe stock is going to here. So what they're doing is they'll draw Fibonacci from here to here. Okay, so they'll go for long at 50% or maybe 0.6% like that, and they'll keep the stop loss below this low or this low, and they'll go above that. Okay, so that's how they keep on going with the position. They keep on draw the positions like this and like this. Okay, so now they'll keep on draw the position and they'll short till here like this. So it's a vast it's a big concepts and vast subject, and I really can't explain at present in this moment. Okay, so I'll delete this one. Yeah. uh, Yeah, definitely. No, 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 not like that. Okay. Does technical analysis pattern fail due to fundamentals? Yes, definitely. No, not like that. Okay. So all these chart patterns, how they I mean, like how these chart patterns will form. How these chart patterns will form. They form according to the company's or company's profits. Okay, they form according to the company's profile only. Okay, they are not like any not like different. Okay, everything forms with the company profile. Okay, I'll go for the Reliance. Okay, if anyone have seen my Reliance analysis which I have posted in Instagram. Okay, uh, like you can go and see my Reliance analysis. Okay, so you'll get to know what I am saying. Okay, our Reliance. So this is Reliance. See here, I haven't like I didn't clear I mean like erase these all analysis as anything. Okay, as you can clearly see, whatever the analysis which I have done 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks back, same thing is there. Same thing. I didn't erase because I don't use this account. This is my another account. I use my personal account to trade. Okay, so this is not my account. See here, what did I say? After breaking this particular dynamic support level, what happens? It goes till the support level. See here, it touched exactly at that support level. It bounced back. So that's how I analyze the market. Okay, so whatever the things I say to you, just keep this in mind, and keep just write it down in your notes. You will understand clearly what I'm saying. Okay, so I don't think so that will fail because of the fundamentals. But yeah, yesterday I think Reliance Jio has like maybe like it has given an estimated profit of 2,000 plus crores. Okay, quarterly, two I think, two or three I think maybe the results. So I don't really focus on news or fundamentals. So maybe chance are there the market to move upside, maybe on the positive side. Anything can happen. Okay. So this is analysis which I have done for you guys. I didn't erase these all things. You can clearly see what I'm saying. Okay. So it didn't break this side. Okay. So what happened here? It broke here. So what is my entry point? This is my entry point. What is my stop loss? This is my stop loss. So I mean, like you will always place a stop loss above the pattern or below the pattern, right? So it's simple. You got like more than 1:2. That's how you will be trading. Okay. Yeah, results came yesterday and it's good. So what we can expect Monday market way to move? Oh, we have to see. We have to see where the market will be moving. Maybe some upside. It's a good. It's a good news, right? Yesterday news was like results were really good. So maybe chance are there for the market to move upside. We have to see. So if it is possible, let me draw the trend line if it is possible. Okay. So this is the trend line which is following. What is this? Descending channel. So this means maybe chance are there at least it can go till 50%. 50% means hardly maybe this one. Okay. So let's keep this support level. That's it. Okay, okay. Yeah, see, chart patterns can say you clearly what will happen in the market. Okay. So this is how I have predicted that this is fact. Okay. This is how I have predicted that Modi ji is going to come into power. Yep, 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 yep. No one will believe that. Okay, so with the help of this chart parents only, I have decided that Modi ji is going to come. Okay, kind of double bottom to the break of the wedge. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, double bottom and break of the wedge. So it's gonna up maybe till here, 50% I said, right? So it can go till there and it can fall from there. Okay. So I think this might be the clash in between the Amazon, right, for the breakdown. Maybe chance are there. I don't really know. As you all know, I don't really focus on fundamentals. Okay. So yeah, it's gonna fall down badly once again. Then Reliance will fall down. Look at this thing as an in channel. So obviously we'll always get 50%, right? So I'm expecting at least 50% fall down. Okay. So yeah, Nikit is asking, sir, oh my God, sir, I paid 500 rupees for your course and later you have decided to give it for free. Okay. So I just want to say one thing, like if you have got value for that 500 rupees, then like you'll be the most happiest person, right? Like, I mean, like you'll not regret, right? Yes, I have given it for free. Okay. So I'll just say one thing. Okay. Obviously we can the fact is, okay, fact is 98% members will not look into those stuff which they got for free. That this is fact actually. Okay. So 98% will not focus on free stuff. They will not value it. Okay. Until or unless if any person is paying to that thing, if they want to learn, they will definitely value it because they have paid money. Okay. They have paid money. And you will get more interest to learn because you have paid your hard earned money to learn that. Okay. So obviously you will have more interest compared to those things. Okay. So I'm not degrading anyone. Okay. Yes, I have given it for free because many people have just they are not I mean, like they're not able to pay. I don't think so. I mean, how they will be trading in the market if they're not ready to pay 500 rupees. But if you got some value from my free course, I don't think like, I mean, like the course which you have paid, I don't think so you will regret. Okay. I hope you understand. So what are these yellow lines? They are support and resistance. I didn't do anything. They are support and resistance. They are not pivots or anything like that. They are support and resistance. Okay. Sir, is it okay if our chart pattern lines not touching the candles? No. Oh, yeah, it's okay, fine. You can draw the wick till the wick, and or else you can draw the body as well. Anything is fine. It's okay. Nothing happens. You can draw till the wicks. Okay. Uh, yeah, yellow lines are support and resistance. And if you are also making similar patterns down trend line 1 hour and 15 minutes respective which are about to break upside here. Okay, I'll go for TCS. I mean, like, I'll go for only TCS. Okay, TCS. Yeah, this is TCS. Maybe I didn't do any analysis. Yeah, okay, seems like I haven't done any analysis. Cool, fine. This is the last analysis which we have done, and after that I didn't do any analysis. And yeah, simple. So similar pattern 1 hour. I'll go for 1 hour. No, no. What is this pattern? Double. What is this pattern? What is this pattern? Bull flag or descending channel, anything. Yep, yep. Simple. Okay. So obviously, yeah, bull flag. So obviously, market chance are there for the market to move at least till this level. So again, I'm saying pattern may fail as well. How? Because you can see this thing in small time frames bear flag, so it can fail down like this. Okay, it can fail down and go like this. Okay, so now what you'll do is you'll draw your trend line like this. So that's how you will be expanding your trend lines. Okay, yeah, it is looking good. Okay, if it is breaking towards upside and then you can look for buying opportunities, but always wait for confirmation. What type of confirmation you need? So whenever the 1 hour time frame is broken, wait for small bull flag or bullish pennant pattern. Okay, this is bull flag. You can look for opportunities and you can enter here, or maybe you can place a stop loss here or here, and you can ride the trade, and that's how you can go. Okay, so this is a very good, yeah, similar pattern. You can look for opportunities for buying, or don't go for selling. uh so up to which level Reliance will come down according to you? What's the logic behind the direction? So according to my knowledge, I think it may come till 1700, like that. 1700. It may come till 1700. Nothing new here. I just drawn my 17 level here. That's it. Oh, and of course, this is a resistance level, maybe. Yeah. Or according to me, it can come at least 50% level. I've already said, right. So I'll draw the Fibonacci for you guys. So this is Fibonacci. So chance are there it can come till this level, maybe this one. Okay, this orange line, chance are there. So 1700 is possibilities there. 1700 possibilities there in Reliance. We have to see how this goes, but 70% chance is there for the Reliance to fall. But yeah, if in case if there is any positive side from like let's say within the next 3 to 4 days, then what kind of pattern I'm looking for? Saying this thing, this kind of pattern, bull flag, then what happens? Mark will go hard. It's not gonna stop. Okay, so that's how it goes. Okay, so let's see how this Reliance will behave and react according to analysis. And of course, analysis changes for every 1 second. Why? Because market moves for every 1 second, right? That's why. So descending channel, Bajaj Finance is broken training in our, okay, Bajaj Finance. You want Bajaj Finance, okay? This is Bajaj Finance. So you're looking for 1 hour. Okay, this is 1 hour. So what type of pattern you're looking? So this is a trend line, which is maybe or similar bear flags kind of pattern. So maybe it can fall down. Okay. So I don't know what is happening here. Yeah, okay, okay. It can fall down. See here, very clear this one. So it broke this one, formed another small bearish pennant type of pattern. Look at this 1 hour. It broke this like it is forming a small bear flag here. Okay, small bear flag. So chance are there for the market to fall down. Okay, till where? Till this support level, till this dynamic support level. So chance are there for the market to fall down till this dynamic support level. Okay, it's good. So Maruti, Dhaval is asking about Maruti. So weekly it has broken out the channel long back and also retested, but as per market mood, will it hold or again volatile with that big time from channel? So I don't know how Maruti is behaving. So I hope you got Bajaj Finance. It's looking very good for shorting opportunities. Maruti, 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 Maruti. Let's sing the song. Oh, okay, okay. Wow, it's been a long time. I didn't see Maruti. So this is analysis which I have done in Maruti. So let me delete this one. So it's still moving in a sideways market. So it might be cooking some pure opportunities. So this is the channels which are forming from long back. So what type of pattern you're looking for? So I'm not looking for buying. I'm looking for selling only. If in case if it is reversed from this particular dynamic support level, then we can see the market to move push upside. But mostly the market may fall down. Okay, chances are there for the market to fall down. Let's see if this is true or false, or else chance are there for the market to go up. But mostly what does this pattern indicates? Going down, simple. Okay. And you're asking me SBI cards. So personally I don't think so this is good because no data. See this data, not a good data actually. So this is the kind of pattern which I'm looking for long period of time. It didn't break this trend line, so I'm not looking for sells. So we have to look at these type of patterns once again. Now, similar scenario is happening here. So what does this indicate? Chances are there for the market to fall down. Simple. Okay. If you want, I can clear all the diagrams. Okay. So we can see a clear rising wedge pattern and breakdown. So at least possibility is it can fall till here. Why? Because this is the starting of the pattern. That's why. So I'm expecting the market to fall down. No chances for the market to reverse upside. It can go till down, it can go up, and it can go like this, and can form a bear flag and can fall down from there once again. Anything can happen. Okay, anything can happen. So we have to see how this will react. Okay, so SBI cards, this is one. Yeah, yeah. Don't say me, please. I'll definitely explain. I'll look at all the charts. Okay. Yeah, Cipla. I'll go. I have already explained, right? Cipla. First chart which I have taken is Cipla on itself. Yeah, this is Cipla. No, no, no. But like, it is very good. Yeah, don't ask me that many stocks. It's very hard for me to look at each and every stock. Okay. So this is Cipla. You got it right. If it breaks towards the downside and form any bear flag, then I'm looking for what? Selling opportunities. Simple. Okay. So what type of pattern I'm looking for if I want to go for selling? So this kind of bear flag. Simple. Okay. So just dial how it doesn't fall. Just dial. I don't really know how that just dial is going. Hmm. This is just dial. So let me remove all the diagrams. So okay, okay. Oh wow. So you're asking me why it didn't fall. Okay. So obviously like pattern failed. Maybe some good news in the market. Simple, and we didn't got confirmation, right? So it doesn't make any sense to go for shorting opportunities. Okay, so this is a trend line, which is maybe good. So what kind of pattern looking for? Falling wedge. So obviously market can go till here. Amitabh Bachchan ji, like he has invested in this particular this thing, so his shares are going to boom. Okay, this is falling wedge. That's it. ITC is not at all good. ITC is not really good. So just tell falling wedge pattern. So maybe chance are the market to go till the starting of this thing, or else maybe this one is good. So this one starting of this pattern is good. Okay. So ITC, many people might have invested in ITC looking that okay, all the fundamentals are good. Okay, then I can definitely go for selling opportunities. So this is the last analysis which I have done all 2 weeks back. Okay, so I have whenever I mean the moment I have conducted the webinar, I have explained this thing. So what I said, bear flag. So obviously market will fall down. So what is happening in the market? It's falling. Simple. So this is analysis which I've done long back. You can look at my webinars. I have done each and every analysis about it. So what I'm expecting chance are there for the market to fall down. It's not going to fall. It's not going to stop at present. Okay. So just be careful with this thing. It's a falling wedge pattern, so chance are there. Maybe it can move up. Just be careful. Okay. Okay. So if you see any bear flag, then no one can stop the stock to move more lower. Okay, I hope you got it. ITC, many people might be requesting this thing, ITC. Okay, and so just a second. Yep. So the next stock which you are getting. Okay, Infosys. You want Infosys? Infi, cool. Okay, then Infosys. Just a second. Infi. Okay, this is Infi. Oh, just now I did I look at Infi? No, I don't think so, right? Okay. Oh no, I didn't look at Infi. So I think maybe I'm looking at some sort of pattern here. So Infi, this has formed a big bull flag some long time, and this is a chart pattern, a trend line chart pattern. So it has broken, so it can fall down. So I think I'm seeing maybe any bullish pattern. So chance are there for the market to move upside. Maybe. So this is a small descending channel. See how beautifully I'm going down deep into that. So if it breaks towards the upside, and if I see any bull flag, then I'm looking for buying opportunities. Okay. So beautiful pattern. Very good, right? If it breaks towards downside, then if you see any bull flag, then short the position till this trend line. Okay, till this trend line. If it hits the trend line, that's it. I hope you got. So what about options course? Any expiry date strategy with low risk? Low risk. So options are obviously high risk thing. Okay. So low risk means like you can buy all the puts, like puts and calls at a time. But obviously, when it comes to selling, it is high risk. Okay. It's nothing is low risk. Okay. So options is quite different. So there are few strategies. There are particularly 4 strategies which I focus on in options, and 80% of the time they win in the market. 80%, 75% to 80% they win in the market. So yeah, I trade those options like that. If I see any market is knocker, then simply I'll trade options. I don't really go deep into the into infrared thing like that. And you ask me LNT. Okay, LNT is the last talk I'll go for, and the last 10 minutes we'll look at the doubts which we are getting, and I'll close the session. Okay. So this is quite good. Which one? This is Infosys is quite good. This is LT 4 hours. We can draw till here. We can draw till here as well. Nothing can we can expect. So quite good, but not much that much. Okay, so maybe chance are there. So not that much good. Okay, not much good. So no data to identify. So I'll not personally. I'd really not. I don't really focus on presence. Okay, so maybe I need this type of data to go for long, and then I look for long opportunities. So if this is broken, I look for shorting opportunities. So overall, maybe I'll wait for a few more days. Cool. Yeah. So yeah, now you can ask me your doubts. Okay. Now you can ask me your doubts, and I'll clear your doubts. Let's go. So the Bank Nifty chart that sorry, Bank Nifty and Nifty 50, I didn't look at that. So this is analysis which we have done Bank Nifty as well. So same thing has happened in Bank Nifty. Nothing new. Nothing new. See here. If it can go till here or it can go down, it didn't break up downside, so obviously will not go for selling. So if you see this overall descending channel, obviously we can expect the market to move upside. So that's what has happened here. Simple. Like obviously, like this is how we'll be doing an analysis. Okay. So this is Bank Nifty. So at present, what I'm expecting in the market. So maybe a reversal. Why? This is the trend line is falling. This is the trend pattern which is falling. Also, you can call it as a small similar rising wedge pattern like this. So chances are there market to fall. Chances are there. I'm not saying that 100% sure it's going to fall down, and I'm god in this, or I'm professional, or any I'm not saying that I'm moving the market. Okay, I'm just saying chances are there. Okay, so look at the patterns, reversal pattern. It's going to fall down. Simple. Okay, so let's look for selling opportunities in Bank Nifty. So let me see. Okay, so that we'll see next week analysis. So simple. This is the analysis which I have done. If it breaks the downside, we look for selling. If it breaks upside, we look for buying. It broke upside. What happens? What we'll be looking? We look for buying opportunities. So similarly, it went up, upside. That's it. Okay. So here as well, obviously same thing. I'm looking for selling opportunities. So this is the trend line which is following trend line. So ascending channel, what does this indicates? Market gonna fall down. Simple. So I'm looking for bear flags to short the position. Okay. So these are both Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty analysis. So yeah, now you can ask me your doubts. What are the doubts you have? And within 5 minutes, we will end the session. Okay. Okay. Any doubts regarding these all things and regarding your losses or anything, you can ask me. Oh, Neogen, sir, Ankit, like I'll go for this talk next week, and at present I'm not looking for that. Okay, Neogen Chemicals. So please share the link of the options course. So yeah, I don't know how to share, but you can go to my Pro Stock Market Instagram, okay, and go to the link in go to the bio, okay. There you can get the link. I mean, like I have to go back and I have to paste and all those things. At present, I don't have prepaid in this thing. Okay, if I'm going if I open all these screens, then I would have definitely given that. It is only one screen at present. So how to create watch list? Asik Hassan is asking. Sir, please don't focus on all stocks. Focus on only 10 stocks. Okay, personally, I'll suggest you to focus on 10 stocks and choose those 10 stocks from Nifty 50. Okay, choose those 10 stocks from Nifty 50. Any stocks, what are the stocks you like? Okay, and trade in them daily. Just focus on 10 stocks and trade and learn and analyze in those 10 stocks for the next 1 month, and you will understand why I'm saying that thing. Okay. So obviously there are some rules to choose stocks, and it's going to give good movement like that. But ultimately it doesn't make any sense, because if you focus on few stocks, you can make living, and you can like you can do anything. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Like just choose 10 stocks, only 10 stocks from Nifty 50, and you're gonna get an idea. Okay. Don't focus on all stocks. Just understand their behavior. Okay. And yeah, I hope you got some value from this session. And last 2 minutes, and if there is any doubt, and if there are no doubts, then I'll end the session. Yeah. So the last thing, like okay, I'll say about that. Okay. So yeah, paid course is completely different from free course. Okay, so what are the value which I have given in this free course? Maybe it might be, let's say, maybe 10% when it comes to the market. Okay, but the rest of the things I teach in the paid course. Paid course is completely different. There is huge difference between the Maruti 800 and of course the Lamborghini. Okay, so in paid course, when you people enroll in the paid course, like you'll get weekly live trading sessions with me on every Wednesday. Yes, you can trade with me. This is how I share my charts, and I'll say why I'm going for selling and why I'm going for buying, and you can trade with me. And obviously, like every Saturday there will be a doubt session. Okay, if my mood is good, okay, if I'm very happy, then I'll conduct live sessions, like let's say 2 days per week as well sometimes. Okay, so obviously I'm very happy at present, so I'm conducting live session Monday tomorrow, I mean, or next week Monday. Okay, and Monday and Wednesday we are going for live trading sessions. Like in live trading sessions, people have changed their trading completely. Everything is different when it comes to uh, my mentorship program. And of course it's going to be lifetime, and lifetime support. And nearly, like obviously like if you look at me, I don't really market, or I don't really force people to join my course, and I don't really sell those things, like fake dreams like that. Okay, so obviously at present till now, I have trained only 100 members, and hardly 10 members join my live training session. Okay, so the rest of the 90 members are trading on their own. Okay, they are not depending on me, they are trading on their own. So yeah, it's I'm happy that people are not depending on me. And of course I gave you analysis as well in live market. And if you see my private group analysis, which I post in Instagram as well, so that's how we trade. I'll explain why I'm going for buy or sell like that, and I'll okay. So do one live training session open to all. So I'm just planning for that. I'll do live session according to the free course only. So I'm just planning for that. But I'll be honest, okay. There are many haters for me. Okay, there are many haters for me. There are there are many haters, and I didn't really want to focus on negative things. So that's why I'm not really forcing myself to do this live session for everyone. Okay. Uh, yeah, I hope you understand. Okay. Yeah, I'm just planning, but thank you so much, Sheikh. So I'm just hoping to do live session for you. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so I don't really focus on negative things and all those things, but you will enjoy the session. Yeah, that's it. So one thing I believe in that. Okay, if I'm getting if my enemy circle is increasing, then this means I'm growing. Okay, so that's it. That's what motivates me. And yeah, so November 23rd, uh, November 23rd will be like exactly November 23rd. I have started this pro stock market in 2019. So it's been like 11 months I have started this thing. And next month, November 23rd, it's going to be 1 year, 1 year celebrations. And I have trained, and I have met a lot of amazing people, and I have met a lot of friends. I have made a lot of friends, and uh, I have given a lot of value. And yeah, that's it. Like I'm really happy that I was able to help like more than 5,000 plus members till now freely. without charging anything. And of course, like I have delivered a lot of value, and till now I have made 90 plus members, independent traders, without depending on me, and they are trading on their own, and I'm really happy about that. And within the next 1 year, it's going to be next level. It's going to be 100 times more value next within the next year. It's going to be new, definitely. It's going to be blow your mind, and it's going to change your life and everything. It's not about the market, it's not about the stock or anything, stock market or anything. It's gonna it will be about life. Okay, so the moment I have changed about had the moment I have changed in my life, and that was the moment I have changed in my career and all those things, and I'm really happy about that. Okay, so if you ask me, I'm an introvert. Okay, so I don't really want to mingle with anyone. So at present I only have two friends. They are my school friends. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Like I don't want to mingle with anyone. I'm an introvert. So, bro, I want to join your paid membership. Sir, you can text me, Wesley. You can text me on Instagram, and I'll provide you further details. Advance happy anniversary. Thank you so much, Elon Musk. Oh my God, Elon Musk is replying to me. So I learned a lot from you, and you know that because I sent you my profitable trades on Insta DM and going good and trading as well. Thank you so much, Sheikh, and I really appreciate that you have used my free course very well, and I really appreciate about that. Yes, I get 50 plus messages daily, and I don't really remember those things, but yeah, like obviously, I really appreciate that you're sending all the profitable trades to me, and yeah, keep going. Like you're gonna do it good. Okay, keep going. Okay, then, guys, like I hope you got some value from this session, and let's meet next week. Okay, if not next week, I'll obviously like next week we have this like this advanced mentorship program is going on, so I don't think so. I'll conduct a session next week, and yeah, let's meet on the next Saturday. I'll inform you guys, and so take care, guys. Take care of your family and friends, and just be careful. Okay, still there is nothing is cured outside. Okay, just be careful. Take care of your family, and always be grateful for whatever you go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for attending the session. Thank you so much for supporting Pro Stock Market, and we'll meet next week. Yeah, happy Diwali. Thank you so much.